Come, let us make pepper chicken together. This is just pepper chicken for lunch. Want to use it to enjoy our lunch. Welcome back from the break. For you to make the pepper chicken, you fry your onions. Add the onions to the oil on the gas. You stir. Add your blended pepper. This pepper is a mixture of Scotch bonnet pepper, Habanero pepper. I really want it to be hot. Shombo, cayenne pepper, and Tatasi. You stir until it is well cooked. Add your spices. Remember, you must cook with Chefbas spices. To get your Chefbas spice, you need to visit next Cash and Carry, Hyper City, all the shops, Walden Supermarket, Livingstone, Vera Brown, opposite Winners Chapel D line. You add your spice, your seasoning cube, you stir. Then you taste. If the salt is okay, then you add your boiled, already pre-boiled chicken. You stir it, turn it well so that the pepper can incorporate into the chicken. Isn't this delicious? Appetizing? It is. Our pepper chicken is ready. Simple. Do well to subscribe to our channel, Cook with the Lawyer's Recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.